So all throughout this year, I think Philippines have been hit by several different typhoon. And this typhoon now we are experiencing is, I think, the fourth or fifth typhoon, like really devastating typhoon.
At least 2 people have died in the Philippines as Super Typhoon Wong lashes the country's northeastern islands with extreme winds and torrential rain. More than 1 million people have left vulnerable areas. It's the biggest storm to hit the Philippines this year and comes just days after Typhoon Kalmegi pummeled the region. That storm killed more than 200 people earlier this week.
But I think we are really thankful that the typhoon doesn't hit here in Silang like it hits like all the other parts of the Philippines. It's like it keeps on diverting from the Silang area, like the South Luzon area, and hitting the north, or like this typhoon right now is hitting like central Luzon area. So I think it's a blessing for us living here in South Luzon area.
The superstorm, locally known as Uwan, has a radius that spans nearly the entire archipelago that comprises the Philippines. Meteorologists warned the torrential rains were likely to trigger widespread flooding and possible river overflows. The superstorm has forced the government to suspend recovery efforts in the wake of Typhoon Kalmegi, which left more than 200 people dead just days ago.
News have been reporting on flooded coastal areas, sweeping houses and boats caused by storm surges as high as 14 meters. Wong also brought with it an enormous amount of rain, so we can see flooding in areas caused by overflowing dams and rivers and landslides too. So it is in the same situation as people of Cebu experienced last week with Kalmegi. Evacuation centers are filled to the brim. Roads are not passable anymore due to downed electrical posts and trees uprooted caused by severe winds.
But thoughts and prayers to the families in the central Luzon area that has been devastatingly ruined by this typhoon. And we are just experiencing like a little fragment of it, the side effect of it. So I'm just trying to walk out and see what damage have been done. It's around 1 p.m. now. I've been in my room the whole day. Just to be clear, this is the second super typhoon that is affecting Philippines that I'm doing this daily vlog thing. The first one is I forgot the name. I'll put the name here. And now this is the second one, which the typhoon attacked like within a week, like a 7-day period. So this one is Yuan typhoon, super typhoon, that I'm doing this vlog about it. So there's like actually 2 different typhoon that hit the Philippines within like a 10-day period. Yeah, let's go. This way, coming through that way, going there. Here, and I'm just walking around trying to see what effect the typhoon have given to this little community that I live in. So I'm just walking around, but there's like no major effect around here. So I think all the typhoon and everything hit like most and part of the Philippines. So it's gonna be just walk around and then see whatever, and then probably head home again. So yeah. So this is the vlog. It's a mini vlog. It was a vlog about trying to find typhoon and its side effect, but didn't manage to. So thoughts and prayers to the people who actually are affected by the typhoon. This is the third time I said it, but I really mean it. I think a total of 140 or something, 100 plus, on the safe side I'd say 100 plus people have died, and millions, but thousands of houses have been destroyed and families and community evacuated. So thoughts and prayers to them, and hopefully they find peace. So yeah, see you on the next one.